Hi friends, how are you? I wanted thanks for the people that subscribe my channel. I saw my channel that some friends, I don't know who they were, but they subscribed my channel, and I am pleasure, and I want to thanks from all of them that subscribed my channel. I started this channel maybe a few days ago, and I want to get at least 100 or 200 subscribers to share some videos about learning computer or some things like Photoshop, Microsoft Office, and also about Forex and etc. For this I want to get some subscribers before, because I want to see that some people watch my videos and use them, not just sharing some video for don't knowing what, for some things like get some subscriber, but I don't know how many people watch these videos and also how many people will use this, because I want to share something that to be useless and useful, and for this I'm trying to make this channel, and I'm trying to improve this channel.